In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file with transactions into Xero. This process is really useful when you have banking or transaction data that hasn't come through automatically via a bank feed, or when you're moving data from another system into Xero. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Xero account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen and click on the menu option called Accounting. This is where Xero keeps all of your main financial tools, including your bank accounts and reports. When you click on Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, select Bank Accounts. You should now see a list of all the bank accounts you've set up in Xero. Find the specific bank account you want to import your transactions into. On the right-hand side of that bank account row, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal some extra actions you can take for that account. In the menu that appears, choose the option that says Import Statement. This is the feature that lets you bring in your CSV file with all the transaction details. When you click Import Statement, Xero will open a new screen where you can begin the upload process. On this screen, look for a button that says Select File. Click on that and a file browser window will pop up from your computer. Navigate to the folder where you've saved your CSV file containing the transactions you want to import. Take a quick moment here to double check you're picking the correct file, especially if you have multiple exports or older versions saved. Once you're sure, click on the file, then click Open to attach it. After selecting your file, Xero will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts. These prompts may include confirming the bank account, checking the date format, and mapping the columns in your CSV file, such as date, description, and amount, to the correct fields in Xero. Go through each prompt carefully, making sure that the data lines up correctly. If something doesn't look right, it's better to cancel and fix the CSV file